Would you like to learn about a new presentation app to make your course more engaging? Well, if you do, stick around to the end. Alright, hey, I'm Henry from Product Creation Formula, and at Product Creation Formula we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, have it you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Let me introduce you to a site called Prezentar. Now Prezentar is very literally a presentation program. It's only just come out recently and I'm actually reasonably impressed. Now if you don't know anything about PowerPoint, or if you don't have the time or desire to learn PowerPoint, then this very well could be an awesome option for you. Now, because this is really easy to learn, it doesn't take much to figure out, and it's fairly intuitive. Plus, the thing I love most about this is the fact that these are pre-made templates. Really, there's not a lot you need to do. You can add certain things to it if you wish to, or you can take things away, but pretty much when you look at this, like for example, benefits of affiliate marketing, let's view that one for 1 second. It is pre-made, so if you want to turn this into a course, you can use the pre-made template with its own writing. Maybe you can change the wording around a bit so as it looks more unique to you, but it is pre-made. It's almost like a PLR. You can edit this and change it to how you like. And once you get to the actual words, affiliate marketing program, affiliate development networks, go back over here. Advertise delivery results, build your marketing campaign, and you can talk about those sort of things as you go through. There are so many benefits to affiliate marketing, and you can have a look at all of these different things as you go through. And as you can see, it's been pre-written, so you don't even have to come up with the content if you don't wish to. Now, of course, you can change all the images, any images that are here, any titles, etc. you can change. Now, if you can also add transitions if you wish to, different types of transitions, and you can also change the way that these come in. Now, these will come in as a group, they won't come in individually, and you can also add your own voiceover if you wish to. Allow me to show you, we'll get rid of that. Allow me to show you one of the templates that I've actually created. Now, I'm in the process of actually turning this into a short PLR course. Let's have a quick look. I'm going to click on that, click there. Now let's go and have a look at what this actually looks like. So we can hit this and hit view, and then we can actually have a look and see what this does. Welcome to YouTube SEO. It's easier than you think. In this course, you're going to be learning facts about video marketing, as well as how to grow your YouTube channel. You'll also be discovering how to optimize your videos for SEO search engine ranking, as well as encourage people to share and subscribe to your channel. And then we're going to be talking about creating keyword-rich playlists. All right, let's go check it out. Now that was a voiceover I added to it, as you can see, and it's doing it back in 2006. Google, pause that, get rid of that. As you can see, it creates a presentation for you, and as your voice goes through, it'll actually show the presentation. Now you can choose to do it two ways. You can have them create the video for you if you want to, or you can record it yourself using your own screen recorder software. As you can see, it had some really cool features. Now let's go over here and have a look at doing some editing here. Now, if you would like me to go into more intimate detail on how to actually edit this, because I'm only just going to give a brief overview for this one right now, but if you'd like to learn more about how to edit this, then give me a comment down below and let me know whether you'd like me to go into more detail about how to edit this, because it is fairly easy to do. Now over here, I'll just click on here. As you can see, I have this flying in from the side. Now to be able to do that, all we need to do is click on there, and as you can see on the right hand side, you have the options of using various effects. So we can click on that. Now if you want to have static effects, like so for example 3D text, anagraphs, anaglyphs, whatever they're called, backlight, dark shadow, all that sort of stuff. You can add that, or if you wish to, you can have entrance effects like what I had here with these things flying in from the right. You can also do that, and you can have the various choices of what you want to do there. You can also hover over the top if you wanted something to for example, this one here. I'll click on this one. If you see how I hover over the top of this one and the letters grow, well, that is exactly what happens when you use the effect. So for example, I'll click on that one. What I did was I used this one here, and on the hover one I chose to do grow, and when you hover over the top of it, that's exactly what it does. And you have all these different things here, and you also have loop, which I've not tried or used, so I don't exactly know what it does, but when I do a bit more experimenting with it, I will find out. So that is a very brief thing. Now let's go over here. If you wish to do a voiceover or record your own voice, then you can just do this here. Now you have different options here. You can add text here, you can add extra images if you wish to, you can add your own video voiceovers. Let's click on here. Now this one here, you can add your own video, you can add your own audio, which is what I would highly recommend you do using Audacity. Now what I would do is, what I've actually done is I have literally recorded a script, or wrote a script, then I read the script out, and any mistakes where I stuttered and stumbled, what I would do is I would cut that out. Anywhere where it was just a lot of white space or blank space, I cut that down so as it wasn't so obvious, and then I was able to add the voiceover straight to my slide. Shrink that down. And you also have a gallery where you can have a look at the various sounds or audio that you wish to use. So if we can have a quick look at that, you can actually have a look at the various types of audio that they have on offer. And as you can see, there are quite a lot of different kinds of audios that you can use. Now I'm not sure what the voices are about. Okay, oh, there's chants and so forth. Okay, cool. Alright, so I would highly recommend that you use Audacity, as I said before, because it does make it far easier to upload an audio than it is to create it on here. Because if you stumble and stutter around, you then have to stop and restart again, and if you are a long way into it, you really don't want to have to do that. Now what I would do in this particular case is I would use this as my course. I would use that as my intro video. Then on this one here would be the intro to this particular one, and this one here would be my main video for this particular subject. So this one here and this one here, the one on the left here, this one and this one would be video 1. Then I would go maybe even add this one and facts about video marketing. Now I would go make this one video 2. Then over here, grow your YouTube channel through SEO, would make that one here video 3. Then optimize, make this one here video 4, and so forth. I think you get the idea. And as you go through, you can have a look at the different kinds. You got the keywords, of course, and then you can read all this out, and you can turn it into a script if you wish to. You already have the points already pre-written, so you can just turn that into a script. Now also here you can add other images. I added this image right here, and so forth. And you can also do what this guy's doing, make it grow and do that sort of thing. And there's lots of different things you can do here. Alright, now as I said, if you would like me to go into more detail on how to actually use this and how to make it more interactive so as it becomes easy to use, then I would highly recommend you leave a comment down below and let me know if you would like me to go into more detail on how to use this, because I'm happy to do that. Alright, now another thing you need to look at, I'm just going to exit here for 1 second. No, I don't want to save anything. Is we're going to go over here to the templates again. Now over here you'll be able to see that it's got VSL, X Factor, Halo, Job Finder. Well, all of these are different upsells. Now you've got the video sales letter, you've got X Factor and Halo 3D. Now I purchased the Halo 3D because it gives you a flip book. Let's go and have a look at the templates here. Every one of these templates have got stuff pre-written in it, which makes your life so much easier. Now, if you wish to, you can upgrade to the Pro level, which will unlock way more templates. However, the ones I do on the front level are pretty good, and there's quite a few of them. There's some that are you need to unlock, but the majority of them are pretty good. Now, what I would strongly suggest is if you do use one of these, you can change up the wording, or you can use Quillbot or something to make the wording a bit different. You can make it as unique as you want, and I would highly recommend you do that because you don't want to look generic and sound like everybody else. So would highly suggest that you use this just as a template. However, do change it up if you need to. You can also go over here, have a look at the various different templates they have. Now let's go and have a quick look at Halo, and we'll be right back. Okay, now here we are in the flipbook section of Halo. Now Halo has flipbook, 3D carousel, and hypnotic transitions. Now the hypnotic transitions are something you can actually add with your flipbook. Now you also have your skins and mock-ups if you wish to. And the skins and mock-ups are pretty cool. You can actually have a look at that. We can edit this by clicking on there, and it gives you various mock-ups that you can actually have your ebook come up on. And we'll have a quick look at that. Now let's have a quick look at this. Change skin, and these are the various skins that you can choose from. You can go for your tablet, you can go MacBook, iMac, laptop. You can scroll down and you can have a look at the various iPads, screens and so forth that you can use, or you can just use a blank one. So I don't know why you'd bother with a blank one if you already have one that's a presentation. So you might be better off going for something like this that you can have on the screen. Now let's go and have let's use, say for example, a tablet. Okay, let's use this one, and we'll see what that looks like. We'll have a look at the, okay, we'll have a quick look and see what that's like. Okay, so we have to copy this here by going like that, and that gives us the ability to be able to see what it is we've done. Okay, in just a moment, you can see it's a Samsung tablet. Now when it's come through, Prezentar, oh, it looks like it comes up. Okay, so Prezentar, by the looks of it, if you share that link, will be on the screen. Okay, that's disappointing. And as you go through, you can go through your slide and you can present it as is. It's a shame that they've got that. I would love to be able to get rid of that. Maybe you can get rid of that if you purchase the Pro level, I'm not sure. Alright, so if you would like to learn more on how to do this, then please hit me up down below and let me know whether you'd like me to go into more detail. Alright, as you can see, there is no watermark on the screen. This is the video. This is an actual video. I'll quickly play it. As well as how to grow your YouTube channel. So as you can see, it's an actual video. And you can see that there is no watermark on the screen, which means that you're not promoting somebody else's product when you're meant to be trying to create your own. So I'll be cutting this once I've created my video completely. This is just a demo video to show you that when you download the video, it's being downloaded without a watermark, and that's what you definitely want to see. Now over here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And over here is a picture of an icon on my head. If you press that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.